Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share this swap that I did with the lovely Kim Kelly on Instagram. So this is what she'd sent out to me. So yeah, I'm just popped on and I thought I'd share with you what she sent me. So I'm just going to take everything out. There's lots of little bits in the bottom there. I love this envelope, metallic-y kind of envelope. So first of all, I see these beautiful paper flowers. These are going to be lovely for summer projects and things. So thank you for that, Kim. And then I presume this is my beautiful card that she's made for me. And it's got thank you on the back. This is the beautiful card that she's made for me. It's really cute. I love these stickers that she's put on there. It says Happy Easter, and then I think these are ATC. So inside she's just said thank you so much for swapping with me. Hope you like what I've made for you. Hope we can swap again soon. Yeah, because we're doing a Christmas swap, which I'm really looking forward to. But yeah, we have our little swaps, ATC swaps that we do. It's really nice to swap with Kim. And look how cute, oh my god, the little ATCs that she makes. These got cute little bunnies, got chicks. I think this flower's actually felt. It's got little gems on there. And she's actually done a lot of detail around the edges. Got like, I think it's like stickles or something around the edges. Really cute. And then you've got this one, again, lovely felt stickers and that, and gems. I love the colours and the paper she's used as well in the back, really pretty. And so these are called, this one's called Easter Fun. It's one of one, so that's that one. And then this one is called Spring Friends. So those are really cute. So thank you. And they match the card as well, which is really cool. Just turn that round. And then, oh, that's funny, because I actually used these beads to make something that I've sent out to her. So that's really cool. Yeah, I actually used one of the bunny charms and stuff that I've sent out to her, and some of the beads. These are absolutely gorgeous, and you can never have too many beads and things, so that is really cute. So thank you for sending me one of those, Kim. Now I don't feel like I have to hold the one that I've got. And then she's put some of these sequins in these little fun bags. So you've got these gold ones, and then these, I've not seen these, like little flat circle discs, like iridescent ones, and then these pink, like rose gold kind of ones. Really pretty. I love the little bags that she's put them in. So she sent me loads of those. And then, oh wow, okay, so she's, I'll just take that from there. Oh wow, look at this die, this little cute bunny die. So you've got, like, I was just looking at it, I think it's like layering you can do. So you've got like 4 different bunny heads, and then I think these are like a layering piece, or maybe a shaker you can make them into. They are really cute. I've not got anything like this, so that's going to be fun to create a project with these. But yeah, little cute different bunny faces on there. So thank you for sending that, Kim. And then in this envelope, there's loads of bits in here. Oh wow, I don't know if this is from a I've not seen these before. From a collection. A pitter patter of tiny feet will leave footprints on your heart, and it's got like different images of foxes. So you could do like a slimline card or like an album or something and use these. So it says especially for you. There's loads of different ones. And they're quite thick card as well. Oh, thank you for sending those, Kim. I don't have anything like that, so that's going to be lovely to incorporate. I'm just wondering if I could use this in maybe a little slimline album or something. Yeah, I have to come up with some ideas to use those. And then the next thing is this envelope, which has got a load of cute little images in again. So we've got like an Easter one. Yeah, thank you, Kim. Thank you. I do love our little swaps that we do. I'm going to put these with the other ones that we've swapped with. I have a little folder now with all the ATCs that I've kind of collected from lovely friends here on YouTube that have sent me and swaps and things. So I'm going to add those two to that little folder. And thank you so much for all the extra little goodies. I do really appreciate you sending those to me. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Please, like I said, I will leave the links to Kim's Instagram in the description. Go and check that out. And have an awesome week, guys. And I will catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.